Hey everyone, welcome back to Gnomons 3D. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of adding a realistic sky to a 3D scene in Blender. Whether you're working on an architectural visualization or a stunning animation, a convincing sky can enhance the overall atmosphere of your project. So, let's dive into Blender and get started. Notice the city in the Blender viewport, but the scene lacks a sky. Even in Studio View, the absence of a sky is evident. Stay tuned as I guide you on seamlessly adding a realistic sky to your 3D scene in Blender. We will add an HDRI sky in the scene. To add an HDRI sky to your scene, we'll use the World settings in Blender. Go to the World tab in the Properties panel. Click on the default background color and choose Environment Texture from the drop-down menu. Instantly, the viewport becomes a pink color as we are in studio mode. To integrate an HDRI, simply click Open here. Navigate to your stored HDRI image location and load your preferred HDRI. In this tutorial, I'll be using a specific HDRI sky. You can find a link for a free download in the description below. Once loaded, you'll instantly see the sky seamlessly added to your Blender scene. Unlock stunning skies for your 3D scenes by grabbing free HDRI from the Polyhaven website. Simply navigate to the HDRI section, search for your preferred environment, and download it for an instant atmospheric upgrade in Blender. As we wrap up this tutorial on adding a realistic HDRI sky in Blender, you've learned how to elevate your 3D scenes with stunning environments. Remember, the right HDRI can truly transform the mood and lighting of your project. Feel free to experiment, explore different HDRI options, and let your creativity soar. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.